Today I'm at one of the model homes at Mustang Lakes in Celina by Highland Homes. Highland builds a beautiful home. Come on in and take a look at what Highlands has to offer at Mustang Lakes. Mustang Lakes in Celina, Texas is set among rolling hills, calm lakes, and countless parks to reconnect you to nature. For more than 30 years, Highland built award-winning homes throughout Texas, striving to provide a level of quality, customer service, and architectural beauty that is unique among home builders. Highland uses extensive lifestyle research and customer feedback to ensure their home designs are always evolving, never getting static, resulting in home designs that promote modern living. They also build with the latest energy-efficient construction materials, using cutting-edge methods to deliver comfortable, eco-friendly homes. Highland carefully selects the ideal locations and the master plan communities that will enhance their homeowners' lifestyles, while also maximizing the resale value of each home. Mustang Lakes feeds to Prosper Independent School District, with students attending Sam Johnson Elementary, Rogers Middle School, and Prosper High School. Highland Homes at Mustang Lakes features 21 different floor plans on 74-foot home sites starting in the 720s, and 22 different floor plans on 86-foot home sites starting from the 770s. The smallest floor plans on the 74-foot home sites have 2,659 base square feet, 4 beds, 3 full baths, and 3-car garages. The largest floor plans have 4,092 base square feet, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 full baths, 3-car garages, 1 to 2 extra half baths, and are 2-story. At Highland Homes, energy-efficient construction is a priority in every home they build. They recognize that building science, systems, and materials advance quickly. To ensure homeowners benefit from the latest improvements in energy efficiency, Highland used the newest industry-leading construction techniques, appliances, and technology. As a result, your new home is far more energy efficient than existing homes, even those that were built just a few years ago. Highland Homes has standard smart home features that make it even easier to be in total control of your home, all from your personal device, including quick-set electronic deadbolts, Skybell video doorbells, outlets with USB ports, a Honeywell thermostat, Wi-Fi garage door opener, and an Eero Wi-Fi router. Part of the fun of buying is designing your new Highland home. At the time of contract, you will need to choose the exterior colors of your home. This includes brick, stone, mortar, and trim colors. These items are needed quickly because they have a long delivery time. Your sales counselor will give you the color options and guide you through this process. Soon after the contract is written, you'll have a dedicated design appointment to choose interior colors for your cabinetry, countertops, flooring, interior paint colors, and more. This is the time for you to start visiting models, browsing websites, and gathering ideas that you love. During your design appointment, a designer representative will go over what colors and options are included in your home purchase price and what options can be purchased for an additional charge. All Highland Homes include a 10-year structural, 2-year mechanical, and 1-year functional warranty. At contract, you'll receive details of the items covered under these warranties, and if a warrantable item in your home needs attention, Highland will strive to resolve all warranty requests within 7 business days whenever possible. New phases at Mustang Lakes will be coming soon, and Highland will be building more homes very, very soon. To get on the waiting list or to hear more about Highland Homes at Mustang Lakes, call our office at 469-998-3322 or visit us on our website at mydallashomefinder.com.